Hi to everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to solving a question paper of compulsory mathematics grade 9. This is the question paper of Tulsi Boarding Secondary School. I think this video is pretty helpful for those students nowadays who are preparing their examination and still they don't have any examination in their school. This is the question paper of first term examination, means that can be model question for those students too. In this video I am going to solving some simple but tricky question. That means to know this type of question we have to watch this video till the end. Let's move into the today's lesson. There are 4 groups. I am going to start from the group A. There are 4 questions and each questions contain 1 marks. Let's begin from the first one question. The cost price of an article BR is 300 and its loss BR is 40. Find the selling price of that article. CP equals to R is 300, loss equals to R is 40. We know loss equals to CP minus SP, or replace the value of loss, which is 40, equals to CP 300 minus SP, or SP equals to 300 minus 40. Therefore, value of SP equals to 300 minus 40 is R is 260. Okay, question number second. If a discount is not given on marked price of an article, then what is the relation between marked price and selling price? If discount is not given on MP, in this case MP and SP are same. Okay, question number 3. What should be added to make a perfect square? A square plus B square to AB. This is A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square is A plus B whole square. That means 2AB should be added to make a perfect square. You can write down only 2AB should be added to make a perfect square. That's enough. Okay, last question from this group. 100 को power x equals to 1. This is exponential equation because variable is at exponent. To solve given type of exponential equation, we have to make a base same or power same. 100 को power x equals to 100 को power 0. This is also 1. Means both the expression have same base and equal sign between them. Therefore, x equals to 0. Okay, question number 5. An article bought for Rs 450 is sold at a profit of 30%. What is the selling price? In this question, CP is given and profit percentage is given. CP equals to Rs 450 and profit percentage 30%. If CP and profit percentage is given, we can find SP by using formula CP times 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. 450 times 100 plus 30 divided by 100. This is 585. Question number 6. The profit of a company is Rs 20 lakh. If 15% of profit is distributed as a dividend, find the total dividend amount. Here, total profit of a company. Rate of dividend always calculate on profit amount. That means dividend amount equals to 50% of 20 lakh zero zero cancel out. Okay, question number 7. An agent get a commission of Rs 50,000. Commission amount is given while selling a land at the rate of 5%. Rate of commission is given. We have to know rate of commission always calculate on SP. In this question, SP is not given. That means let SP be X. Okay, replace the value of commission amount, which is 50,000, equals to 5 divided by 100 times X. Find the value of X by cross multiplication. Five ones are 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Or 1 2 3 4 5 6 equals to X. Therefore, SP of land is Rs 10 lakh. Okay, question number 8. Factorize x to power 4 plus x square plus 1. To get a factor of given type of algebraic expression, write down first and last term. Then make a perfect square of first two term, x square whole square plus 1 square plus, write down x square as it is. Then these are in the form of a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, where a is x square and b is 1. X square plus 1 whole square minus 2x square 1 2ab plus x square plus 1 whole square minus 2 times x square times 1 is 2x square plus x square plus 1 whole square minus 2x square plus x square is minus x square. Now these are in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x. Now arrange into standard form. These are required. Okay, question number 9. 2 to the power x plus 3 plus 2 to the power x equals to 36. This is exponential equation. To get the solution of this type of exponential equation, at first try to break the power of each term at first. This is 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x equals to 36. Common between these two terms is 2 to the power x. Then remaining in first term 2 to the power cube plus there is no any remaining in the second term, means there is 1 equals to 36. Or 2 to the power x is 2 to the power cube is 8 plus 1 is 36. Or 2 to the power x times 9 equals to 36. Now dividing both side by 9. This is 2 to the power x equals to 36 divided by 9. Dividing both side by 9. 2 to the power x equals to 36 divided by 9 is 4. 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power square. Both the expression have same base, that means x equals to 2. This is the answer. Question number 10. 3 to the power n plus 2 minus 3 to the power n divided by 3 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 to the power n. To get the solution of given type of exponential equation, again break the power of each term at first. 3 to the power n times 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power n divide by 3 to the power n times 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power n. Common from the numerator is 3 to the power n. Remaining in first term is 3 square minus 1 divided by common at denominator, again 3 to the power n, 3 plus 1, 3 to the power n, 3 to the power n cancel out, 3 square is 9 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8 divided by 4. Question number 11. If k, 5 and 25 are in continued proportion, find the value of k. K, 5 and 25 are in continued proportion, means ratio between first two number and last two number is equal. Now we can write down k by 5 equals to 5 by 25, because k, 5 and 25 are in continued proportion. And by the cross multiplication, 25 times k is 5 times 25, or k equals to 25 divided by 25. Therefore value of k is 1. Okay, last question from the group B. X square plus 6a plus 8 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation because highest power of variable is 2. There are lots of ways to get a solution of given types of quadratic equation. Now I am going to solving with the help of factorization method. Now this is trinomial. To get the factor of this trinomial, try to find out the factor of 8. Their sum or difference will be 6. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 plus 2 6. X square plus 4 plus 2, 8 equals to 0. X square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 equals to 0. Now common between first two term is x plus 4. Common between last two term plus 2. X plus 4 equals to 0. Or then common between these two term x plus 4. Then remaining in first term x plus 2 equals to 0. Product of two number is 0. Means either first number equals 0 or second number equals to 0. Either x plus 4 equals to 0. Therefore value of x is minus 4. Or x plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to minus 2 inch. Okay, I have finished my lesson. In our question paper, still there are two groups and I will continue from the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.